Hello and welcome to another YouTube video. In today's video, we're going to be discussing and reviewing a very significant section of SEMrush known as domain analytics. So we have the first part, which is the overview here, and for the purpose of demonstration, we are going to be analyzing the website of eBay to see what kind of features it possesses. So here we have the organic search traffic. We have metrics like the device, the database, the paid search traffic, backlinks, keywords by country, traffic trend, and top organic keywords, main organic competitors. So these are all very useful metrics. We can gain insight about a website, whether it's our own or any other competitor's website, to gain information about a lot of features, about how well they're doing, what is their progress, and SEMrush doesn't leave out any important detail. Everything is included here, so it is a very thorough and detailed analysis of a website, and this is only the overview. We're only in this beginning of the domain analytics section. We can see their backlinks, we can see their backlink type as well. This is extremely useful. We have their anchors and whatnot. So this can be useful not only just for the SEO experts, but also for the web developers or any other relevant fields which can be used to analyze a website. So any kind of professional, digital marketing professional who wants to gain insight about a website's performance, they can log in to SEMrush and they can go into the domain analytics section to gather all of the information like this. This is something you don't want to miss out on. So we're going to be taking a look at the organic research section. In the overview of the organic research, we have the overview of things like positions and changes and competitors and pages and subdomains, and these are all very considerable factors, because in order to get to the top, in order to optimize your website to its full potential, you need to know about all of these important metrics and how influential they are and how others' websites are doing. So this can be very useful. And these are very minute details. As I said before, that SEMrush doesn't leave out any sort of details. You can get insight about your competitors and their positioning map as well. So SEMrush is being your spy, and they're giving you all sort of information about the competitors for a website and any other thing that you want to know. Let's go into the backlink section. Now we have the backlink section here, and we have the authority score, we have referred domains, we have backlinks and monthly visits. So we can see how well eBay is doing and what are the categories and what are the referrals and their backlink types as well, their link attributes, their referring domains and backlinks. So this is all very important for you to know, because it will allow you to understand your competitor or your own website better. You can gain insight about what kind of websites you're attracting towards you and what can be a very useful ally to have in the future for you to flourish as a reputable website. Now let's go into the advertising research section, because most of the stuff that we're reviewing now we have already seen in the overview section. And if you're someone who views SEMrush on a daily basis, you might not want to jump into all of the details, and you just want to dabble into the overview section and not get caught up in all of the details. And that's perfectly alright, because SEMrush allows you to have both ways. You can have the overview, the shorter version of all of the important metrics you need to know about, and you can have a detailed version of each metric. A thorough report that you can also download in PDF, and that is amazing. That is honestly astonishingly amazing. We have in the advertising research section, we have paid search trends here, we have paid search promotions, and this is all again I keep repeating this, but SEMrush has a lot of important metrics for you to consider. So the list can go on, and we will be diving further into the information that SEMrush provides us with, and it can be very, very beneficial for anyone who's just starting a website, or who's looking to expand their website to a professional or a more global level, because SEMrush will allow you to compare yourself to your competitors not only from a local perspective but from a global perspective. So it's a huge gain, and you've got SEMrush on your side. So this was the overview, a basic overview of domain analytics section. So go ahead and use this section for yourself to analyze your website or any other website that you want to know more about.